Hey everyone, welcome to Biz Bounty Hunters. My name is Taylor Postel, and this is my channel. All these videos you're going to see are from my cold email masterclass for business acquisitions that I previously had on a school community, so the formatting might be a little different. Some things might show up like that, but no need to worry. I've moved everything for free here on YouTube, so everyone can watch through this whole class. It'll be divided up into the playlist, so you can follow along step by step everything that we previously had in our school community. But without further ado, please like and subscribe, and let's hop into the content. Welcome back. This is Taylor with Biz Bounty Hunters. Today we're going to be going through our data and creating AI prompts for our emails. So we're back in that spreadsheet of CPA firms that we pulled from Apollo. So we're going to go ahead and create those prompts. So in order to do so, I like to move the website column over a little bit to where we're prompting, just so it's easy to click. So I generally use Gemini. You can use ChatGPT as well. We'll do a little bit of both. So I have a AI prompt worksheet attached that you guys can take a look at. Let's pull it up. So here, specifically for Gemini, when you're building your prompt, I have a template for you guys to take a look at, but we need to be clear and specific. So clearly, we need to outline what we want Gemini or ChatGPT to do. Need to provide context. Then we need to specify the format. So, the type of speech, formal language, casual tone, things like that. Then we want to write as you would a person, so Gemini understands conversational language. Also avoid jargon, be simple and as plain as possible. So you want to also break down complex tasks. So break down step by step so it can easily understand. AI is not the smartest thing in the world, so you need to be specific with each individual step, and then you can leverage examples as well. Don't be afraid to try. I always, harp on this. I'm not the best prompter. I'm getting better at it, but you just need to try different things. Tweak the prompt, see what results work and don't. So don't just go with whatever first thing it pops out with. Keep kind of refining the approach. Also, consider your tone. So formal, informal, humorous, etc. Descriptive, narrative, persuasive. So just those are some guidelines that I kind of give you guys to work on your prompting. And then here is the exact prompt I use. We'll run through that real quick. So this is providing context and background. So I say this is my background. I've operated and sold family-owned businesses. I am not a corporate entity. And I like to put employees and customers first. I'm writing emails to business owners with the intention to buy their business. I need help with personalizing that email so it stands out and feels personal. The section I need help writing is to say what I like about the business. I need you to analyze their website to gain knowledge of their business. Try to find unique things about their business, and if possible, how previous experience relates to their business. Try to find something unique that sets them apart from the competition. I need you to do so ideally in 2 sentences. Use a complimentary tone. Start by finishing the sentence. What I love about your business is, here is the website URL. So like I said, with those tips, this breaks down. It doesn't just kind of say I want a cold email that's very personal, here's their website link. So it's breaking down step by step, being very specific on what I'm looking for. So now we will you need to, before using this, please, change everything in here that fits like your background. If you want to, change the way the prompt works, things like that. This is just a template that I use, but make sure to change it to what you use. So here, we'll try it with Gemini first for our first business. So new chat, we're going to copy and paste that prompt, the website URL. Let me grab the spreadsheet real quick. Okay, so first line, we're going to copy this email, come into here. Here's the website URL, paste, and submit. Let's see what it comes up with. Here we go. What I love about your business is your focus on finding the right IT solution for each client, ensuring they get exactly what they need. This aligns perfectly with my background operating, selling family-owned businesses where understanding customer needs is paramount. So here you got related my background and values. You can see that there. So with that, you can copy and paste the whole prompt if you only want one sentence. Sometimes two sentences can be a little wordy, but for now, we'll do this whole thing. It's a little bit on the longer side, but that's okay. And in your prompt, I said ideally in two sentences, so I could shorten that. We'll do that real quick to see what the result difference would be. So, all right, let's see. Let's just do one sentence. And once again, this is the free version of Gemini, so it's not the advanced one. Let's see what it comes up with now. What I love about your business is your commitment to providing a wide range of telecom and IT services, including managed IT, cybersecurity, and cloud solutions, which aligns perfectly with my background in operating and prioritizing customer satisfaction and family-owned businesses. So I like that a little better. So we'll just copy that, come in back to our spreadsheet, and I always do plain paste, so Command-Shift-V, just so it doesn't change the text and blow the spreadsheet up. And we'll just look at the website to verify everything was correct. So yes, managed IT and data services. You can go to their about page. So I also sometimes will use the about page link when we do the prompt, so we can try that. So since 2004, so let's see. Let's update this again and change the URL to their about page. What I love about your business is that you combine over 30 years of telecom experience with a commitment to finding the right solution for every customer, ensuring they get the best value regardless of the carrier. So not as relating my values, but it's, complimenting them on their 30 years of business. So you just kind of can play around with this stuff, see what you like, see what you don't like. But this is the process I go through when doing my 10 a day that I continuously upload. So we'll do 10, upload them into the emails system so you can get a look at that. So we'll go to the next one, take a look at the website. They've just relocated, visit our new website. So see, the link was incorrect there from Apollo, so it's always good to go to their website. So it has their about on their main page, so we can just use this, pop it into Gemini, and all I do every time is just edit the text, change the URL if the prompt is what I want to use, which is change that to the one sentence. What I love about your business is that you built a thriving community that empowers high achievers to excel in all aspects of life, something that aligns perfectly with my business experience. This is great. I'm not going to change it. Sometimes it'll come up and I'll use just part of the sentence, all the sentence, but this is perfect. Just copy, paste. That's number 2. You can see this is relatively quick, just going through, making sure there's enough information on every page. Yep, so it's got some background there. That's good. Pop it in here. So you're just going to kind of rinse and repeat this. What I love about your business is your focus on empowering business owners with valuation services. So you can see it does kind of keep leaning on the same thing here, which can and cannot be a good thing potentially if it just doesn't really resonate. So like I said, play with the prompt, see what works, see what doesn't, and you can, if it keeps leaning on that, you can just, remove that piece of your background. And, I like to put employees and customers first if that's more relatable to people. So you can use that. We'll see what happens there. So we'll update it. See, sometimes you get issues like that when it doesn't like to work. So just remove this, see if it'll. See, you got to change some bit of the text for it to update, so I just removed the slash. What I love about your business is your focus on using innovative tools like the value builder system. I think that's better because I saw that that value builder system seems like something proprietary on their website. So boom, number 3. So I recommend just doing 10 a day so you get an idea of the businesses you're talking to and things like that. So you just run down the list, 10 every day, and then you just slowly upload those 10. So the way I do that, so with this, so you have your catch-all, and then I would create a new sheet and call it uploaded contacts. So these, as I do the 10 every day, continue to upload them. So I'll copy the top row just so I have some organization. We will then freeze it again. So we'll go back. So we'll just use these 3, but say there was 10 on here. You just copy. We'll still leave them over here. And then put them in the upload section so you can keep track of which ones you've uploaded. You could also, so you can quickly know. So these will be yellow as you move down the sheet, turning them yellow of the ones that you were able to upload already. But you can organize this however you so choose. So now we will just file, download, and you want to do CSV specifically, so it's just this one sheet. And now we are going to go and upload this into our email flow. So that's it for this one, guys. Next video, we're going to be going into uploading the data specifically into the email flow, showing you those different variables that you can change within the email copy to fine-tune everything. So that's it for today. Remember, let's take some action. See you on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed that content. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Peace.